Lexus releases 2 new teaser images with the large SUV and confirms 8 June as its debut date. One of the teaser images also shows the Texas S cabin with a 3-row configuration. However, this doesn't seem to be your typical 7-seat SUV, as there are a total of 6 seats. There are 2 seats at the front, 2 captain's chairs in the second row, featuring folding armrests and possibly a removable console in between, and another pair of seats in the third row. The other teaser image depicts the front passenger door from the inside, and there's a Mark Levinson logo on the upper speaker that's integrated into the door panel. Not much else can be seen, aside from a small part of the center screen, with what appears to be a rotary climate control knob. In terms of engines, trademark fillings suggest the Texas will come in Texas 350, Texas 500H, and Texas 550H plus trim levels. There's no official word from Lexus yet, but we believe the model with the H in the designation will be a hybrid, while the H Plus could belong to a plug-in hybrid model.